Jamaican man
police just
speaks
know
out
say if you
about
stop
traffic
me
stops,
on the
people
road when me I
reacting.
go about my business for some unnecessary reason and I try to ticket me for some unnecessary things. Make sure I have time because me I go pull out the road traffic act panel. Me have the whole 161 page printed in the vehicle. Yeah man, and we go through it and you go tell me where you charge me for and how much if it match. Because me still not run this little style because through the people them now read the act. We not try to take advantage of people them. Now me there in my bridging car a while ago and police pull him over. A police officer go tell the man say him not supposed to drive a Havana act. And him go ticket him a $10,000 fine because him have an act. So because my boy don't know nothing about the road traffic because him not really pay attention to them sitting there. Him just pay for him ticket and go. And that was his intention to get the ticket and go pay. So I said, no, hold on. Mr. Officer, tell me which code in the road traffic act you charge man under. Oh, I know you. I say no. Me in a vehicle too. I'm not going to allow you to take advantage of him. Tell me which code you charge him under where it states that you should not be wearing hat while operating a motor vehicle. He can't tell me. So how are you enforcing an act that you know nothing about? Or are you enforcing the law and you know nothing about the law? You're supposed to be the police that is most knowledgeable about the act and you're a traffic police for that sake. You're supposed to be knowledgeable about the type of enforcement laws that you're on the road to enforce. But you don't know nothing about it. I have to make him know, say, sir, officer, squaddy, the law say only if the hat is obstructing your vision is it illegal to wear it. So if you pull the hat way down in your eye and you can't see good, then can stop you and then can charge you because it's obstructing your vision. But if me have my hat way up your say, so my forehead big and my hat the way up your so what kind of obstruction it obstruct? It not obstruct nothing. Film at the way up your so can film forehead big like a film want to. So what? Have a nice day, man. Have a nice day. And let we have. You see, if you little boss, them will send you out to come give people fake tickets. Because fake tickets them there now. For push them agenda for them budget where them a try fill. You don't try know who not deal with. And all the way out a fool. And all the way out uneducated and don't know what going on. So when you walk up on a man like me, you know, we actually sit down and read. And if me not know, I have the whole light print out in the car. So therefore, if you don't stop me, make sure you have the time. Because you see, the amount where you charge me, I have to go match up to the charge. It have to be there, side and side. Because I also not charge people speeding ticket of over $10,000 when the road traffic act says if you are going 16 to 32 kilometers over the speed limit, it's a $6,000 ticket. 16 to 32 kilometers. So if you're in a 50 kilometer zone and you go 66 and above up to 80, what would that be? 32, so 82 kilometers. That's a $6,000 ticket, not a $10,000 ticket. If you go over that, that's a $10,000 ticket. But people don't know these things, so them take advantage, and every time them stop you now. If you go 1 kilometer over it, they might tell you say, oh yeah, speed, $10,000 ticket. Don't make them tell you no rubbish a road. You know the road code. Know the road code for yourself. And if you don't, Google is free. The road traffic app dep on Google. You can search it up. All Gemini or any AI will tell you right there, and then you just say, hey Siri, and Siri pull it up for you right away. Don't make them tell you no foolishness, and then can't tell you not go up on the phone, because you stop. And I like say you not drive and operate the phone, you stop. So you can take up the phone and do your research. Me I want to know. Because you see how them reform the road traffic act every minute for try to catch you with some rubbish charge. know where in there. And if you don't know, your phone is your best friend when police stop you. Don't make them give a full ticket. Alright.